Hey all, I wanted to take this opportunity to explain an assignment Cindy and I have in lieu of 16 hours from our professional practice. We'll go to the Institute for Healthcare Improvement website and complete an online training program that they have for healthcare quality and safety. The website does require that you create an account. It is a free account, but make sure you take that step. I've already done it, so I'll skip right by that. So we'll go to the website ihi.org, create an account, and when you do, the home page looks like this. So midway down on the left, we're going to select Open School. Then on the left, we're going to select Take a Course. From the top toolbar, we're going to select Certificates. And this will be our home page for the moment. We will complete the Basic Certificate in Quality and Safety, this top course that is available here. This program is broken down into 13 fundamental courses that you've got to complete at a 75% or higher to progress to the next lesson. So if you start at Lesson 1, Introduction to Healthcare Improvement, I get an explanation of the assignment. I get the information of how many lessons are in this, this course and the objectives that are targeted. I'll restart this lesson. Each lesson has about 6 to 10 or 12 slides, PowerPoint slides that have got reading information for you. Some of the pages have little video clips that you will watch. As you progress through, there is a post-lesson assessment. Because I have not completed each step through, I can't progress past this page, past the page 9. You'll take the post-assessment with a 75% or higher. You'll be able to progress into lesson 2. Then you'll go on to the lesson 3, lesson 4. So you'll do improvement capability. You'll do patient safety, leadership, person and family-centered care, and then the triple aim for populations. After you complete all 13 courses, you'll be able to print a certificate. You'll do that and then load it into Blackboard. I appreciate all of your flexibility and adaptability in this health crisis.